How to free up space on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to free up space on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok application. Once you are on your profile, all you need to do is click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. Now scroll down and you're gonna find cache free up space on cache options. Click on it. And here you can clear your cache to free up space, and won't affect your TikTok experience. But if you clear downloads, this may include effects include effects, filters, stickers, and gifts downloaded in your app. That means you won't be able to download them again if you need them. So you choose wherever you want to clear, and this is it. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.